In this video, I'm going to show you how to know whether your laptop has a virus in Windows 11. So maybe you've noticed your computer running slower than usual, or perhaps your computer's just not working as it normally does. I'm going to show you how you can go and check and clean any viruses from your PC. Now, the very first step is to go and open up your Start menu, and then you need to type in Windows Security and go and click on this tool here. You then need to select Virus and Threat Protection, and then just click on the Quick Scan option. Now, this is the first step to ensure there's no viruses on your computer, and you'll just need to wait for this scan to get to 100%. Now, if no viruses were found here, then click on Scan Options and click on the full scan instead, and then go and press Scan Now. Now, this is going to take much longer to complete, but this is going to scan all of the different files on your computer, and that's the first way to go and check and clean any potential viruses or malware. Now, once you've done that, we're not finished yet, so go and open up the Start menu and then search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool here. You can then click on your C drive and press OK. And then what you need to do is go and check the boxes next to all of these different files to delete. Now, sometimes malicious files can go and hide themselves in these different temporary files, so it's really important we go and clean out all of this data. So once everything's selected, go and press OK, and then just press Delete Files. You could then open up your Start menu again. You could then search for Run and click on this Run icon. Now, in the search box, go and type in MRT and press Enter. Now, this will bring up the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool, and this is slightly different to the Windows Security tool. So go and press Next, click on Full Scan, and then go and press Next. And just wait while that carries out a scan on your computer. If it does find any infected files, it's going to be listed here, and it's automatically going to repair them for you. Now, once you've finished all of these steps, there's one more thing I'd recommend doing, and that's opening up an internet browser. In the search box, go and search for Malwarebytes and press Enter, and click on this top website, which is malwarebytes.com, and this is a free antivirus that we can use to scan our computer. So go and click on the free download button, click on your Downloads folder and open up the setup file. You can then just go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm going to click on Install, click on Skip this step, and then just wait while it installs. Once it's finished, click on Open Malwarebytes, click on the scanner, and then click on Scan. Now finally, just wait for this scan to finish on your computer, and once again, if any infected files are found, it will automatically repair them for you, and that's how to check for viruses on your Windows 11 computer or laptop.